Hey, I'm Lakshmi Anuradha. So if you follow everything I'm going to show you in this video, you can easily make $100 using this strategy. This is a beginner friendly strategy that is going to allow you to earn your first $100 online from affiliate marketing. And when I say beginner friendly, we are actually going to be using paid traffic in this strategy. But I'm going to show you how we can essentially get that paid traffic for free using a free ad voucher. We are going to combine that together with untapped traffic sources, and we are going to be plugging into that a super high selling affiliate product. So all of those things together is the recipe for earning some quick cash from affiliate marketing, and I am so excited to share this strategy with you in today's video. It is going to be an epic one. So let's dive into it. First of all, I'm going to show you the type of product which work really well with this. Then I'm going to show you the traffic source, how we are going to use the free ad credit, and all of the strategies of how we are going to make this work and make your first $100. But the first step is finding the product. Now obviously you can use the spy tools and stuff to see what good affiliate products are out there. I'm gonna show you how you can do this for free using this website called MSN, which you probably heard of. It is a massive news website that gets nearly a billion views every single month, and there's a lot of news articles on here. But amongst the news articles, there's a lot of adverts. So if you click one of these news articles and you are scrolling down, you will see these adverts and the site. But actually there is a lot of native adverts like this by Taboola here, which has got different things like this Star Corps monocular here, and you will see a lot of different ones like Star Corps monocular and lot of people advertising. Now a lot of affiliates use MSN as a traffic source to promote their affiliate products, and these adverts that are on the site are called native adverts. Now we are not going to be using native adverts. We are not actually going to be advertising on MSN, but we can kind of steal some of the conversions. Ethically steal. We are not actually stealing, but it's almost like stealing some of the conversions from these big super affiliate that are spending thousands and thousands of dollars on adverts on website like MSN. So what we want to do first of all is come to MSN and have a little browse around the look at from some products like Star Corps monocular here, and we want to click on them. The way that you are going to know it's an affiliate product, if you click on it, it should lead through to this kind of advertorial style page. It should look something like this. Now it's either going to be a dropshipper or an affiliate, but a lot of these will be affiliate offers. And if you click on this button here, it should lead through to the actual offer page for this product. Up at the top in the link, you will see that it says AffID, which means affiliate ID. So that tells me that's an affiliate offer. So that's the first step. You want to find some products like this that have an affiliate program. Then what we want to do is double check that we can sign up to be an affiliate for that. So the way that you would do that for this one, Star Corps monocular, you can literally just go to Google and type in Star Corps monocular affiliate, and usually there will be an affiliate sign up page here where you can sign up to be an affiliate. Sometimes they don't appear on Google, so another really good website is this one called Plus, which has got lot of affiliate offers out there, and you can just come here and type in Star Corps, and you can see here it's on there as well, Star Corps monocular on a different affiliate network. So you find that the same product are on multiple affiliate networks, so you can sign up to different ones, and this offer here, this molecule offer, if we were to promote this as an affiliate, we would earn $38 every time we make a sale. So you can make a nice conversion from this just by getting someone to purchase this, and we don't have to deal with any of the returns or some customer support. So what you want to do is sign up to be an affiliate, and then once you are actually inside your affiliate dashboard, you will get an affiliate link just like this one here, and you can just save that for now for the time being. So now you got an affiliate link for a product that people are sending a crazy amount of traffic to. People are spending hundreds of thousands per month promoting that product on native ads. Where do we come in? How we are gonna tap into that huge traffic? Now for this to make sense, you got to think of the customers and how they view things online. So let's just go back to MSN here. So they are reading MSN and they are reading this news article, and then they see here a little adverts about a Stack Ops monocular, and they are like, are you been watching a monocular for my hiking tips or for bird watching? And then they click on it, they read this post about it. It's like an advertorial style post, and a lot of people from my experience literally click on that and they'll just sign up and buy it straight away. Now what do you think that the other people do that don't buy straight away? Well, a lot of them want to go and find out more information about the product. So a big chunk of them, and this is not what we are going to do, but a big chunk of them come to Google and they type of the product like Stack Ops monocular review, and they'll read a review about the product to find out more information about it, like this here, like a little review about it that someone's created. And inside this review there is usually an affiliate link where they can click on that and purchase the product. So the person who wrote the review will earn the commissions. So that is the really good strategy, but that's not what we are going to be doing. But I just want to show you this here. If we come over to Google Keyword Planner, you can see that a lot of people are searching for Stack Ops monocular review in Google. You get at least thousands to 10,000 searches every single month for that keyword. So this product isn't advertised by any big company. Only affiliate promote these products. So that just goes to show you how many affiliate must be sending traffic to these offers for at least 10,000 of them per month to actually go and look for review of these products. So that is the really good strategy. The only downside to using Google, and the reason why we are not using Google in this strategy for beginners, is because it can be very expensive. This one here is currently costing $2.05, which is around about $2.50 for a click for people searching for Stack Ops monocular review. So if you were to advertise on Google, every time someone clicks on your ad, it would be cost you roughly $1 for a product that earns you $38 per sale. That might not be the most profitable route, specifically for beginners. So what's our alternative? Well, let's circle back to MSN. As we've observed, many of these readers, after seeing the native ads, might be inclined to look for reviews. While a significant number might head over to Google, a good chunk, especially those already on MSN, will simply use the MSN search bar, which is powered by Microsoft Bing. They'll type in Stack Ops monocular review right there because it is convenient. And here's the kicker: Bing operates similar to Google, but it often much cheaper. Let's dive a bit into Bing keyword planner. Now I won't pretend that Bing gets the same traffic volume as Google. But that's actually an advantage for us, especially if you are just starting out. Why? Less competition means cheaper cost. And here's another one. I'll show you how to get $100 free ad credit for Bings in just a moment. With this, we can leverage the lower competition for incredible cheap clicks, while still targeting an audience that's already been exposed to the product. They've seen the Stock Ops monocular multiple times. They are considering a purchase, and we are going to zoom in at the last moment with our review using affordable Bing ads. Looking at the data, Stock Ops monocular gets roughly 1K to 10K search every month in specific countries. And if we move on to terms like Stock Ops reviews and complaints, it gets about 100 to 1K searches monthly on Bing. That's potential buyers, and the competition virtually non-existent. The suggested bid is so low that it doesn't even register. Another variant of the keyword sees about 430 searches monthly, with a suggested cost per click of just 31 cents. That is a fraction of Google's cost. So the potential here is to tap into around 500 click per month, targeting high content buyers. These aren't just casual browsers, they've been primed by the native ads. They are considering the purchase and just need that final push. And for an average of about 25 cents per click, that's a steal. While it's true that you are looking at around 500 clicks for these specific keywords, remember, this is just one product. You can replicate this strategy for numerous products, tapping into various streams of potential income. Now about that free Bing's ad credit, I found a blog post that lists ad credits available globally. Click on the link for Bing and it redirects you to the official Microsoft Bing page. Spend $25 and you get $100 free in ad credits. This is a golden opportunity. If we estimated clicks at about 31 cents each, that's 403 clicks to our review page for just $25. Even with a conservative 1% conversion rate, that's 4 sales or $152. Subtract the $25 ad spends and you are looking at $127 profit. Setting up your Bing ads campaign, it's straightforward. Once you created your account and add your credit, you will be prompted to create a campaign. For our purpose, we are focusing on visit to my page, set your budget, target specific countries, and you are good to go. The ad group will contain the keywords we are targeting, which we are already researched using the keywords planner. And once everything is set up, your ad will go live once uploaded. In conclusion, this strategy is a fantastic way for beginners to dip their toes into affiliate marketing. It is not about marketing millions overnight, but about understanding the mechanism of online marketing, leveraging opportunities, and making a tidy profit. Stock Ops monocular is just one example, but the possibilities are endless. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. Have a nice day.